Electric bikes are expensive, so is driving a car with the high gas prices and the time wasted in traffic. Fortunately, there are products like the Livall Pikaboost 2 that allow you to effortlessly convert your existing bike to electric, helping you glide through the city, avoiding traffic and getting a healthy dose of physical activity without the risk of arriving to work exhausted and all sweaty. The Pikaboost 2 comes well packaged in a small box, together with all the necessary tools and accessories to mount it to your bike, which include a Torx Allen wrench, a fender, a USB cable for charging and the remote that will mount to the handlebar and wirelessly control the motor. Mounting this motor to the bike is extremely straightforward. You will in fact just need to screw the seat post clamp to the seat post and screw the motor in place by tightening this bolt. Last thing that needs to be done is installing the wireless handlebar remote and sticking the brake sensor to the brake lever so that the magnet gets farther away from the sensor when braking, letting the motor know when to stop spinning. And that's literally it. The bike I used for this conversion is an old Bianchi race bike, but this motor can be mounted literally to any bike, from a road bike like this one to a mountain bike and everything in between. With the motor mounted, we can see how it works. It is a quite strange experience, at least in my opinion. The motor works actually quite well, helping you when you need it and shutting off when you don't. It kicks in so smoothly that I literally couldn't notice whether it was working or not, and I had to time an uphill section of road with the motor on and with the motor off to realize that with the motor helping me, it took me half the time to ride the same distance. That is actually quite impressive, considering that the motor doesn't even have a pedal cadence sensor to tell when you're pedaling or not. Despite that, the smart algorithm adapts and learns your riding style to figure out the optimal way of helping you, providing a very smooth riding experience. Comparing it to a cadence-based electric bike, which uses a cadence sensor to know when you're pedaling, the motor is way less noticeable, with the cadence-based e-bike motor kicking in quite abruptly, and the Livall Pikaboost being so smooth that you literally can't tell if it's helping you or not. The experience is actually very similar to a torque-based electric bike, with the motor being basically invisible, in the sense that it makes you feel like you have super strong legs, rather than there is something helping you. Another factor helping you with smoothness is the power, which obviously isn't huge, since the motor would otherwise sleep. The nominal power of the motor is 250 watts, with peaks at 500 watts. This allows it to actually help you quite a bit, even on steeper hills, and also gives the ability to use the cruise mode to maintain a constant speed of up to 25 km per hour without pedaling. The motor features 4 modes, which can be toggled by pressing the central button of the controller. The first is a standby mode, which deactivates the motor without needing to turn it off. The second is assist mode, which is the main mode you will want to use. This mode uses the smart algorithm to help you when you need it, giving the smooth riding experience I was talking about before, allowing for a max speed of around 40 km per hour. The third mode is the cruise mode, which turns the bike into a kind of moped, allowing you to ride without pedaling, with the ability to adjust your speed using the up and down arrows of the controller. The third mode is a workout mode that will use the motor to give you extra resistance when pedaling. This mode can only be activated on the smartphone app, but realistically I don't see myself ever using it. The Pikaboost 2 can in fact be controlled by the smartphone app, which gives you full control to the assist modes, power levels, battery percentage, and a bunch of other handy features, like the ability to record your rides, adjust the rear lights, and change a bunch of other settings. Through the app you can also set up the motor when mounting it to the bike. In fact, it has a second tiny motor inside that automatically presses the main motor to the bike tire to reach the optimal friction and avoid slippage. The motor is quite small, comparable in size to a 1-liter water bottle, and actually super light, coming in at just 3 kilograms. That is mainly due to the quite small battery and super simple construction, which also makes it look quite nice when mounted to the bike, especially if compared to other conversion kits where the battery is very bulky and gets bolted to the bike's frame. One of the main benefits of this motor compared to a standard electric bike or conventional conversion kit is the ability to easily remove the motor from the bike just by simply removing a bolt, leaving behind just the seat post clamp and the handlebar remote. The motor features what is essentially a skateboard wheel motor that spins against the tire to propel you forward, and can't get much simpler than this. The battery is a 158 Wh unit, which provides up to 50 km of riding, and despite the small size, that is not a big claim, due to the way this motor works. A super handy feature is the ability to use this battery also as a power bank. In fact, you can just plug it straight into your phone to charge it. It is also small enough to be carried on an airplane with no problem, so it's perfect for traveling if you maybe want to rent a pedal bike and make it electric to explore your travel destination. There's honestly not much more to say. This motor is truly amazing for someone that needs it to commute to work or school, for grocery runs and to move around town effortlessly. It obviously shines on flat ground and on very small inclines, and is not the ideal choice if you live in a mountain area with lots of steep hills. The smart features and premium construction makes it a truly worth it purchase, especially considering the ridiculously low price of just $400, a price point where you can't even consider an off-the-shelf electric bike. If you want to purchase the Livall Pikaboost 2, you can find a link in the description below. I will see you in the next one!